Fix Duolingo widget. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix the Duolingo widget. Now, if you are facing on the Duolingo widget and you don't know how to fix it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device has been connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if you're already connected to it and it is still not working, then simply turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds, it helps you to reset all the network settings on a device and also helps you fix the box and error which is occurring on that. So open Duolingo app on Play Store or App Store and see if there is any kind of update available for that. And if there is any kind of update available for the app, then make sure to update to the latest version available and you'll be able to fix the issue very easily. Now if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to restart the device and see if it will help you to fix the issue or not. So by doing it, you'll be able to fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.